Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition. Really nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's wise into a single 2.5 inch pipe. Then we put a 2.5 inch to 2 1/4 tailpipe, 2 1/4 mandrel bent tailpipes on this side and this side, and to 4 inch by 18 rolled angled tips. We'll put you a link in the description for the Y pipe and the black tips. There and there. That's how you dual them out. Right there. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. I think it came out magnificent, if I would say so myself. There it is, Ford F-150 King Ranch with black tips, dualed out the back. Much better. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Go ahead. 103 on the sound decibels, bro. That's not bad. If you true dual it, they'll probably be like 113. Next time. A little at a time. But I like it like this too. Yeah, but again, Ford F-150 King Ranch. Let you guys hear it on the inside. XLT. We just did, there's the stock outlet converters. Then we left the resonator on this one and put a Super 10 Flowmaster with 2 1/4 tailpipes into 3.5 by 18 inch tips on each side. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. We left the resonator on and he didn't want it too loud. Just wanted a nice deep rumble, and with leaving the resonator on it, gives it that nice deep rumble. There it is. Tuck them in a little bit, it just looks a lot cleaner and nicer on them. It's the F-150 2018. I'll let you hear it in a minute. It's the 4x4. Back it up, back up, you see it. It gives it a really nice clean look. There it is, 2019. Or 18, sorry. Oh yeah, that sounds beautiful. 2020 Ford F-150 5.0 liter V8. The right engine on these trucks. Got factory converters, got less than 1,000 miles on it. Then it's got a resonator right there. And then we deleted everything and did a side pipe right there with a dual outlet tip right there. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Let you guys hear the sound decibels on it. Go ahead again. About 108, not bad. If you guys want it louder, there's still another muffler we can take off, a resonator in the middle. It's good? Let you guys hear on the inside. (2020) Ford F-150 5.0 liter. Left the resonator, deleted everything else, and put a side pipe with dual tip. (2013) Ford F-150 5.0 XLT. Still got factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals, 2 1/4 all the way back into a special muffler, a Black Widow. We'll do it this way. Black Widow, dual in, dual out. We'll show you the description. If you guys want to purchase it, you'll see the link in the description. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way back there and there into 5-inch tips rolled right there and right there. It's gonna scream. Those Black Widows never disappoint. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Again. It's at 113. Sound decibels 113. It's at 113. Oh, that's perfect, dude. Sounds good at idle, too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah. Actually, yeah. Ford F-150 5.0 liter. Still got the stock catalytic converters. He's going to bring it back. We're going to put high flows on it. We put a resonator on it. Flowmaster Outlaw Series 10 Series race muffler, part number 325108. And then we ran a 3-inch tailpipe into a 8-inch center dump. Black tip. Let us know what you guys think in the comments about the sound and the quality of it and the look. Again, we put this Flowmaster, that's the number, 10 Series race muffler. It's a miniature, it's really small, smaller than my hand, into an 8-inch tip. There's the 8-inch dump, dumped out the center. Looks really, really good. It's a beautiful truck. I'll let you guys know how it sounds in a minute. Full lift kit on it. And there it is on the bottom. Wow, it sounds really deep. That 8-inch tip makes a big difference in the sound. Again. It's a beautiful truck all the way around. ...2011 Ford F150 5.0 liter XL. Still got the stock factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals all the way back, and we did it in 2-inch so it can clap, and we dumped it right there with dump downs, turn downs, whatever you want to call them, right there. And you always want to do that crossover to make up for that, for the pipe, because one will be shorter than the other, but when you cross them over like that, it equalizes the length and gives a more smooth sound, complete sound. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hold on, D. Right there. Hell yeah. Back it up. Yeah, baby. Ford F150 right there. One more. 2014 Ford F-150 5.0 liter V8 FX2. Still got factory converters there and there. We got something special going on with this one. It's got a rough country kit. They just came out with them, so customer purchased it and we installed it for him. 3-inch all the way back into a rough country single in dual out 3-inch, then 2.5 tailpipes. It was too many pieces though, man. Everything's like, they love to put it in pieces, as you guys can see. They were clamped there, they were clamped there, they were clamped there, another clamp there, then the tips were clamped, and then the tailpipes were clamped. Too many clamps, so you always want to put tacks on the clamps so they don't rattle off or break off or anything with the vibration. But there's that kit. Came out really nice, really beautiful. 4-inch tips, black. Part number on that is Rough Country 96010. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sound decibels on it. Max 110, 111. About 110, 111. Not too bad. That's the sound decibels on it. Towards around 110. Is that good or bad? It's not bad. Not too loud, not too crazy. Yeah, it's right in the middle. It gets obnoxious after 120. Go ahead. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Middle. He's in. He just did a lift kit. Still got to get it all cut. Massive wheels. Looks really nice.